Jamaican Full Movie. New Wife 2022.
Please forgive me.
Starring
Forgive me, give me another chance.
Sister Petra, Epic Boss,
Jeremiah.
Yes, Janelle. Oh,
How
just
are you?
beautiful this morning, man.
Oh, thank you. How is everything?
Why? Hold on, I'm going for a chair for you.
Thank you, sir.
You can have that one, you know.
Okay. You're such a nice man.
Thank you.
Oh, Lord. This place looks so nice. Wow. I would want to live here one day.
So, how are you?
I'm doing great, Jeremiah.
Oh,
Tell you what, I was on the road and I heard that you and your wife passed. And I hear that I never did I do so good. So I said, because we're friends, I'm just, run, come see what's happening up here.
Why,
Is
Janelle?
everything all right?
Why, Janelle? What I have to tell you,
Mm-hmm.
today I bring her to the clinic, right?
Yes.
And the woman miserable, she miserable.
What you mean by she miserable? Then didn't I tell you a long time to leave her and come to me?
Yes, but what I am saying, right?
Mm-hmm.
She getting out of hand now. I think I should leave her now. You understand?
Well, you don't have to worry, honey. Because when you leave her, you have another hands to run into. Because you see how many years I've been waiting?
Really?
Oh, you mean really? It's not long time me I tell her to leave her. She's my best friend. I know she stay, And I tell her to leave her and come to me. But you didn't
Tell her
want to
that I
listen.
need a new wife,
Well, now that she blind is the right time to come to me. You
I
know
think
that?
so too, because when we was coming home,
Oh,
one
Lord.
piece of problem the woman give me on
So-
the road,
She never fight you off. They me not tell us that she beat man.
All
Me
this
tell us that she
shit,
beat man and you never believe
the
me.
woman
Huh.
take up one lick me with the stick even though she
Oh,
can't see.
dear.
I feel, me see, if she can't find me. And me just go behind her,
my
you know.
God. Oh, Jesus.
You understand?
Can I tell you something?
The woman I get her pension and she would have dead if she charter one taxi to
But
bring
no.
her, go and bring her come. She want we walk every single day and she
Well,
know she
look
cannot
here.
manage,
Well, maybe she want to exercise, but not even that. If you know that she couldn't take a ride, shouldn't take the money and take the ride. You shouldn't be complaining about
She
that.
not giving me her money. She lock everything away from me.
Well, it's your fault. All of this is your fault. You know that?
I should
because-
take your advice long time,
Mm-hmm. And you see me there still waiting. Huh?
Well, you don't have
Still
to wait no
waiting.
more. You don't have to wait no more.
It's me should be the one living in this yard, and living in this big house. Look at this 2-story house. Huh? It's me should live in there. You met that little witch. Me I tell her from school days, me and her a friend,
I
know
tell her that
everything
I'm
about
gonna
her.
bring her back to the village.
Carry
So
her
when
and
me
dash
bring
her
her
back
back
there.
to the village, me I go move you in.
I don't think I can wait so long. I don't want to wait so long.
No longer than weekend, me bringing her back to the village. You don't have to wait any long.
Oh,
I have
Jesus.
everything sorted out and everything
Oh
planned.
my God. So it's a good thing I'm come up here today. Because I wouldn't be hearing this good news. Boy, look at your face. Eh? You want somebody to take care of
I'm
you?
miserable, man.
Oh God, look at my nice. You know that you're gonna be my husband. I just feel it, I feel it. I bump in your face. Oh God, and look how you shouldn't grow up like this, man. Eh? Let me
It's
squeeze
stress,
this bump.
man. It's stress.
You can't stay here and make she kill you. Okay? Let me squeeze this and bump your face. So, you see, not even bump she can't see squeezing in your face. I know you want somebody to squeeze bump. Look at that. Eh? In your old age, you don't want somebody to pamper you. Lord of mercy, blackhead and
That's
kill
what
you.
I want. You understand?
Yes.
You don't see anymore.
Of course, there's a lot there, but tell you what. The neighbor passing. So I don't want to do anything right now. Me don't want them go whisper in our ears and cause problem between the two of them.
And
You
them
hear?
pass around here, you
Lord
see?
have mercy, it's me to tell you.
Everything they see,
Then Kuya, then how you know, how you don't know.
Them
And
see-
them tell me, say you and your wife are
You
fighting.
never see when you put your hand in my face.
Of course him see. And me not hide nothing. Me not hiding anything. Cause me love you from long time. And you make that girl in there, take you away from me. And make me there wait all long. You know say, are you me there wait for all along?
I force her way in,
It's must force her way in.
You
No, but you
understand?
did see me, did shine bright like a diamond.
Yes.
And you go on like you never
But
see me.
some,
You
let me
blind
tell
your
you,
eye to
let me
it.
tell you something.
I don't
You
know
see,
what she use
sometimes
and catch
we
you.
as man, we pick until we pick. You know what? I'm not gonna call the word, but we pick until we pick. What?
We don't want chat that. So. That me I tell you. Well, listen to me. It's never too late for a shower rain. What you say about that?
I think the same way.
Hey, so where she there?
She inside sleeping.
Go see the little witch how she
From
lie down
where I
there.
come,
Hey.
I tell her that I need a new wife, and I'm gonna go and get a new wife. Hear what she say? And she and the honest man want me.
So
only thing the other woman want when me I go look, I go do a name me out.
Oh God, why she would have said that? I would have never named you out.
So I ask her if me look ugly.
Look how you're handsome and nice. She not see that. Look how you're handsome. Oh dear. You smile so nice and you just look romantic. You just look so romantic.
A long time I don't feel anything like this, you know. Only thing I feel, you know, is just hunger and problem.
Well, listen to me.
Problem.
Don't worry yourself. I have all of that and many more things packed up waiting for you.
Whoa. I like your dress, you know. It
Thank
looks
you.
so good.
Don't you see it's silky and nice?
Wow.
It's not cheap dress these, you know. For your wife could never wear this.
Oh God.
Me not think should I spend money for buy them a kind of dress, yeah. Why? Go sit we down the aisle. All this me there and that me a plan for. Divorce her. Divorce her. Come you notice what? You know, blind she blind now. So that means that she can't see what you plan to do. Get a liar. Tell you what, get a private liar. You don't have to go unless she sign any paper, you know. You don't know that.
Yes, I read up about it, you know.
Well, I investigate everything. She don't have to sign no paper. You just tell a liar, say she wicked and she do you be bad things and see what happens.
Because even if I tell a liar that I'm not telling any lie,
you don't.
She get worse. Listen to me. You know how she did tan, right?
Yes.
She get worse than how she did tan.
Lord have mercy.
She get terrible.
Oh dear. My God. Then I say you chat to your wife. You see that? The neighbor.
So why them passing like that?
You
know say something them want hear if you go tell her back.
Oh, you mean?
But me no care. I tell her say it finished now, you know.
But look here. Just because him see me squeeze your face make him turn back, you know.
Yes, you see what we out here do.
But outside a little boy, but me, my chest big and ready for anything. A long time me I wait for them days here. Me say when me yesterday woman out for rip it to shred in a road. Me say what?
And somebody tell you about it.
Oh, you mean if it's somebody? You don't know say village people them fast.
Why?
Them you don't know what them say? Them say the woman do you so bad all the time. Eh?
So what I'm saying, right? If them see that and tell you, imagine what them chatting in the village say me a little boy.
Oh,
and everything me have to cooperate what she say.
Yes, them say you is a puppet.
But hold on there. When them see me bringing you, them will see the plan when me they have long time.
Tell you what, honey. Tell you what, baby. It's a little secret between me and you. Why you not make me move in pan the girl? Why you not make me move in at the house? You make she there, you know say she can't clean the house.
But
if she lie down one place.
How that would work?
Oh, you mean how that will work? Tell her that me coming to take care of her. Remember say me and her is friend. What's so hard in that?
You know, say
you're not using it, you know. You're not using it.
Why you did suggest that long time?
Because it never come to you because you're not using it. They make this blind woman stress out your brain.
Even if she said no, you know, you still could stay in the other room. She wouldn't know because she's not going anywhere. Everything is me and eyes them, you know. Everything on me, I feel lead her and on me, I feel tell her what to do, you know.
Oh,
so if you're in the next room, she wouldn't know.
That sounds very nice.
That sounds good.
Oh my God, I can take care of my little man. Eh? With your face now. We can take care of my little ice cream with sprinkles on top. You know what I want?
Feel smooth.
Oh Jesus. I know. Then you not even feel it good. Because it's just for the clothes me I rub it down.
Mighty God.
God of mercy. Look for your face now.
Mighty God.
So tell her what, you know I'm going to go see her.
I think you should go, but she
I
there asleep.
Argue with her now. So what if she asleep? I go and argue with her.
Well, me not ready to come in there yet. Me out here start free my mind cause of that me tell her, you know.
Oh, Jesus.
And from me come out here, she call until me no hear nothing more from her. So
Oh, dear.
go check if she dead in there.
So you will want your wife dead?
Even if for that, go check if she dead.
Oh, my God.
Oh, me fed up right here now. I don't care about anything no more.
Oh, dear. Oh, God, I can see that she really do your body in there, you know.
She get to me head
It
now.
look like you not even chat everything. You keep it as a secret. Because you look so bitter. You look so ignorant.
You will come and smooth me out and bring me back to the state where I was.
Oh, you mean? And let some of these gray years be less. I know that you want.
And that I'm longing for.
All I do remember, say there's not a perfect relationship.
No, I know that with teeth and tongue must meet. You understand? But I don't think it would be terrible like what I'm facing right now.
Oh, my God.
You understand? You
just-
have your fault and me have my fault.
Yes.
But fear fault, I can't work with it
Terrible,
no more.
man.
It's
It's
out of
terrible.
hand.
It's, oh, my God, she sounds...
You know how she stay, you know.
Oh, you mean I know she stay? Me say she was one bully when we go to school. One bully. Me and her a friend, but me never like her one bit. Because she too terrible. And tell her what, from we a look up pitney, you know. And one man like me, she push up herself and the man take she. You understand what me I say? So that's the reason why I want to give her back some of her medicine.
Go check in at the house and see if she passed away.
Okay, my honey. It's just that me love looking in your eyes. You know? Because when me look and see that from you young, me love you, you know. And you just never see me say
She
me.
does boring and mash up
God.
everything.
Alright, no worries.
But hold on. Everything shall rectify soon. You understand?
I love to hear that.
True love will never die.
Never die.
You understand?
Glad to hear
So this
that.
as fire you just start sparks.
Oh, you mean in a year old age, me and you together forever,
Forever.
and ever? Hi! Alright, tell her what. Me soon come here. Me not even feel like me want to leave you.
Go and go check on her, man. Go and go check on her.
So me can get a little chups like, oh, me not see nobody wrong.
You really want to do that
Oh,
out here
yes,
so in the
I want.
opening?
Of course. Oh, yeah, look for.
Yeah, look if anybody a pass.
Nobody now pass, man. Oh,
You
God.
know long
This
enough,
feels
really?
so good. This feels nice. It feels... You know how long me I wait for that happen? You know how long?
Why?
Well,
Your sparks of fire right here, so.
don't worry.
You understand?
Don't worry.
Wow.
Me soon come back, yeah?
Try nobody stay there too long, you
I
know.
won't, darling.
You're leaving your bag.
Oh! Oh my God, I put it down here. It's because the place looks so nice. Me just try enjoy my place. You know what I mean?
Don't worry yourself. By weekend, she shall be home in the village.
Yes, man.
Right by
Yes,
her
man.
people, let me bring her go
Oh,
dash
you mean
her.
dash her back down there?
Huh.
The people, them know so she wicked and them don't
Probably
even come
them
here
even
come
want
look at.
her. Me have to go bring her go one homes.
Anything you want do as long as she not in the house. Because me want to can clean up the whole house and paint you how me want paint it. You hear what me say?
I hear what you said.
Alright, baby.
You hear what I said? No stay there too long with her. Come back out here.
Lord of mercy, I soon come.
This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm longing for. Look how the woman spark a fire in my heart. You know how long I've been searching for this fire? Mighty God. Huh.
Look, Panda, look how wicked witch do God. But she asleep. What a evil looking woman. Eh? Take away my man. My God, look at all of this luxury what the girl living in. And I mean first did see the man I want him. Eh? Look how him sitting up on the table. Jesus Christ. Ruby. My God, all these expensive things. Them having at them place. And this look a wicked girl take my man. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, you're a blind woman. Me have to get back my man from you. You're wicked, you see. I said I never want one thing, I just take a pill and just squeeze. Sure. See you make something just come up in me. When me look for me nice man out the door, full of stress because of you. Huh? I never know see you so wicked. Me know when you went pity saying in time good enough. But my God, when me see how you do the man, make a man grip so before time. Sure. Josiah! Josiah! Oh. From a smell that cologne, I know it's Janelle. Oh, yeah. Oh. The foot, they kill me. Janelle, you see that wicked man Jeremiah outside? Yes, me pass Jeremiah outside. I mean him did that talk, you know. Because him tell me say you're in here sleep and me just tell me I give you a little time for sleep first before me come wake you. Why? Things don't look good. Him look so stressed. Me don't like how he look at all, to be honest. What looks stressed? That man is a evil man. Him wicked to me, you see, Janelle. Lord God, I don't know where to start. Janelle, I'm glad you're here. My God, Janelle, you wouldn't like to know what a wicked man Jeremiah they do to me at all. You'd have never believe. Where to start? Janelle, you know that I was coming from the clinic today. And Jeremiah dragged me till me nearly fall on my face. Just say what you really tell me, say. Say Jeremiah drag you when you come from clinic? No, sir, me can't believe what you really tell me, say. And him look so loving. My God. Why I would tell all this lie on Jeremiah? Jeremiah is very evil to me nowadays, you know. And I want to ask you a question. Jeremiah tell me that he's going to take a woman here. And I know that you're my best friend, you're not going to tell any lie. When Jeremiah come on the road, you see him talking to any woman on the road? Not at all. I see him with no woman when him come a shop. No, sir. You know, sir, if me did see him with woman, me wouldn't come tell you. And not only that, when me done with them down at the shop. But my God, man, I don't think him would do them something there with you. Why you fi know? You would be the first person me come tell what they go on the road. But that man, I don't believe him a cheat on you, yeah? I know you wouldn't hide the truth from me. But you know that from the other day him say him want a new woman, you know. And that's the reason why I feel like he's treating me like this. Because him want to tell me that him taking me back to the village, you know. What you really said to me? Say Jeremiah tell us that him want a new woman? My God, I don't expect that from Jeremiah. So when you go to the village, you have any family member who will receive you in the village? I don't know if the people them want to receive me and I'm blind now. Huh? Jeremiah get the whole of my young life. When I could see and take care of him, he didn't say anything. But now me blind him want to go dash me back, give me people them. You see I'm wicked, Janelle. So why you don't think about going back to the village? Like how you say Jeremiah treating you so bad. Janelle, I don't expect that from you, you know. I don't expect that from you. Me and him outside, you know. And him a tell me say, why me not come look after you? And I told him no. Because me tell him say, me not think you will be approve of it. Yes, Janelle. Yes, Janelle. I would want you to come here and stay with me. Because at least you will be my eyes and ears. And Janelle, I don't know how to say this. I would want you to watch him for me. You understand me and tell me everything because I know you're not going to lie to me. Janelle, him not treat me good. Me case and come. You can't come today. Really, my friend? Me never know say that I really want me to come take care of you. But tell you what, I have to go back home, go get some clothes. Because I never bring no clothes with me. So when I go, I will come back and come take good care of you. You hear? No worry yourself. Okay then. Go on home and change and come back. And hurry, you hear? Because I don't even want him to give me anything to drink or to eat. Because him going to fling it give me. And I don't know if it's going to be clean either. Or look after properly the way I want it. So go ahead and come back. I'm just going to lay down here. You hear, my friend? Me I go to do go give Jeremiah the good news. Boy, me feel so good. You know how long me did want to come take care of you. From me yesterday blind, me did want to come in. Alright, my friend. I really appreciate you coming here today. It's God send you, you know, Janelle. It's God send you, man. I feel different already. I feel so good. Don't worry yourself. When you come, we will talk more. You hear? Alright, my friend.
Got it, so now. Pull him up. Stop him, point the gun fire. Yeah.
Wait man, the 81 and 80 zone. Stop it.
Pass me the handcuff.
Officer, me never have nothing for me. So all you want, put your handcuff on me. Me never did a speed, me no smoke, so you can't find no way. Officer, me never have nothing for me. So all you want, put your handcuff on me. Me never did a speed, me no smoke, so you can't find no way.
Every day up on the road is like a headache. The police them target me, nah give me no break. True that me have to till the glass them up here. Me no break law, no, me like it up here. Sometimes them stop you, them left you with no beer. At night time them run out by you just like dopey. That's why my wife tell me if he sell it care. But how it a go when me and her want be par?
Officer, me never have nothing for me. So all you want, put your handcuff on me. Me never did a speed, me no smoke, so you can't find no way. Officer, me never have nothing for me. So all you want, put your handcuff on me. Me never did a speed, me no smoke, so you can't find no way.
Step up them game. Me no say every police out there are the same. None of them join the force just to gain. Them a stop taxi man with umbrella in a rain. Yo, every day man say the same thing. When they pull up on your block, them go on with beer things. Handcuffed in a jeep station, long waiting. Funny this a lame thing. Low me no man.
Officer, me never have nothing for me. So all you want, put your handcuff on me. Me never did a speed, me no smoke, so you can't find no way. Officer, me never have nothing for me. So all you want, put your handcuff on me. Me never did a speed, me no smoke, so you can't find no way.
Every day up on the road is like a headache. The police them target me, nah give me no break.